Aloha and welcome to Opukea. This is one of the nicest long-term condominium complexes you're going to find in West Maui. The units are large, the location is amazing, and I just can't say enough good things about this place. So let's take a look around. In this video, I'm going to show you everything I possibly can. Hey, aloha and welcome to the Opukea. My name is Eric West with HawaiiRealEstate.org, and I'm excited to tell you a little bit about this complex. You know, it's one of those properties that just needed to happen here on West Maui. It's a DR Horton property, and it is nice. It's located on the mountainside of the Honopi'ilani Highway, just to kind of give you an idea of where it's located. Obviously, I've got the aerial footage here to help kind of orientate you in Lahaina Town, and it is absolutely perfectly centrally located to everything. And it's a long-term property, meaning that you can't rent these out short-term to people on vacation. So it's designed as a second home or for local residents that live here full-time. And if you're going to lease it to somebody, it must be for at least 6 months or more. The property consists of a grand total of 114 condos in 7 different buildings. Now these buildings are lettered A through G, and you get really nice amenities here. You've got a nice barbecue area, recreation area, pool, the grounds. Everything is like super amazing in terms of the flora and just the coolness of the vegetation. Comparison to some other condos that are just sort of concrete and tar, this one has a really nice tropical feel to it. The bedroom count here that's available to you, or you have the Ono, which is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom that is about 1,200 to 1,230 square feet. You have the Kopa'awith, which is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, which ranges from 1,239 to 1,326 square feet. And you have the Momona, which is the largest available floor plan, that is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath with over 1,800 square feet. Now for Maui, I'm telling you, that is a mansion. So it's really nice to have this product available for people that want to live here full-time and they want to have lots of space, and in a wonderful location in a property that is top-notch in terms of the fit and finish of the units and just the way they feel when you walk around. And when you walk into these units, you're going to feel like it's a very nice luxury type living without the luxury type price tag. The other thing you'll notice about these units is they have very nice open floor plans. They are very inviting, they're comfortable, and really you get maximum privacy in the bedrooms because they're purposely designed away from those living areas, which is really nice if you're a family and you want to have some of that private time and you don't want to be able to, hear everything that's going on in the living room when you're trying to get to bed early because you have a big day at work the next day or maybe a school project. You know, the one thing that strikes me about this property, which is kind of unusual, is that it's very quiet. It's just a very peaceful and quiet property. It's unusual. A lot of long-term properties have a little more hustle and bustle going on, but it's one of the things I really, really like about this property. The Opukea does, of course, have air conditioning, elevators, a pool, tons of ample parking, views of the West Mauis, and another big one is pets are allowed. And I know a lot of people love their pets, and to be able to bring those over to Hawaii and have them live with you here is just huge. A lot of these condominiums here, they just don't allow pets, so to have that as an option is really, really amazing, especially if you're looking to be maybe retired and you want to have your best friend with you during those retirement years. Having an option like this in Lahaina Town is super amazing. If you are interested at all in buying or selling a unit at the Opukea, I'd love to be a resource for you. I know the property well. I've lived in the area for many, many years. West Maui is, don't tell anybody, but sort of my favorite side of the island. And I would love to be that person, that resource that can help you, whether it's now or in the future. If this video has been helpful in any way, shape, or form, please, I'd love a thumbs up. Hit me in the comments section with what your thoughts are about the complex or any questions that you might have. And I'd love to have you subscribe to the channel as well. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you as soon as you get to Maui. Aloha. Once again, I'm kind of a parking lot freak. I love covered parking, I love assigned spots, and I love guest parking. So one thing to keep in mind at Opukea is it does border the highway, Honopi'ilani Highway. So definitely keep that in mind. These units could have a little bit more road noise towards this edge of the property. Further you go to the back, obviously, gets a little bit more quieter. I wouldn't say it's a huge deal, but definitely something to keep in mind if you're sensitive to that.